everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up a payment method on Messenger. So if you want to, for example, done instructions on a Facebook Marketplace, in here you can also do so in Messenger, and you can add a payment method easily. Here you can just open the Messenger apps and click on the three lines icon at the top left corner. Go to the settings or gear icon, and then if you scroll down there will be the services section, and under it there will be payment settings. So tap on payments. Here you can add a new payment method clicking on this button, and unfortunately the option is still limited to debit card, so you can just input your card number. So here you can just enter your card number, also the expiration date and the security code, and after that, after you finish, you can click on save and your Facebook Pay payment method will be finished or added. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.